Hi everybody, welcome to week 16. This is your overall intro video for all of your assignments this week. So when you go into your course, you should be able to click on week 16. You have your before you begin, which is this video that we're talking about, and also the checklist. So we're doing something a little bit different this week. It's going to still be set up and everything the same the way you always had it. So we have 16. Monday at 11, there will be a live version of what I'm doing here just to answer any questions and get any feedback on it. You'll have 3 assignments. And on Wednesday, there is a voluntary meeting also, if you would like to come and check it out. All right, so this week is, for those who are new, every other week is vocabulary. So last week was typing, so this week is vocabulary. These will be your words for vocabulary. Most of them we have done before. There are a few new ones, but most of them you have done, so it's a review. The question this week is, will learning code help you edit better? And the reason being is we are going to be doing a coding exercise this week because it is the National Hour of Code. The Hour of Code is, right now there's, that's over 1 billion people, 180 countries. There's been over 68,000 registered events, and we did register this event because they're stressing, or they're trying to get people to do it this week with their classes. And because I am career and technical education, so I am a CTE course, so that is why we are doing it, but you can see all the places that it's being done. It's got a whole bunch of celebrities that come on and do videos or do inspiring things. And if you want, you can just go to hourofcode.com and you can click on any of these, and then they will also be in the actual coding game that you're going to be coding. Okay, so assignment 1 is you're going to be making a flyer, and you're going to use a template. So you have, you don't have to create everything from scratch. A template is something that already has work done on it. Could be pictures, fonts, margins, tables. It could be a lot of stuff. So for this week, though, we are going to be making a flyer from a template that is in our in our online version of Word, and we're just going to change it a little bit. And if you are following my naming format, it will be Q2A15 flyer. The second one will be the vocabulary. There is a site for you to practice, and then once you are ready, you can take the quiz. You may only take the quiz once, so please make sure you are ready for it. I tell you in the intro video for that assignment that there's probably about 30 words in that assignment, but you will only have the quiz on 15 of them. But you need to know all 30 of them. I'm not telling you which 15 I'm giving you. And then the third one is you're going to do the hour of code. Now, you should have already have received from me in your messages in Schoology, you should have received the link to go to, your login name and password. We are going to be making a Flappy Bird game, and it takes about an hour. There's 10 steps to it, and you just need to follow along. Once you are all done with all 10 levels, that's when you will take a screenshot of, I've completed this. It puts out like a completion certificate. You take a screenshot of it, and that's what you will submit to me. I can also look on the hour of code side, but this makes it much easier for me. Other than that, if you have any questions, please reach out to me, message me, let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If not, I hope to see you this week. Have a wonderful week, and enjoy the weather.